Alright, this is a rare 1912 Converse 10-plate toy, and we don't have a top for it, and that's what the top's supposed to look like. And here, we don't have any measurements, but we bent some wire like I think it should be, part of the pictures. And then we made a little template. And we took this aluminum and we cut it, found down the edges, bent it, hit the template, and then do some little holes here. And then over. First one done. Alright. Two done. Pass. And this one back here. You hold it? Yeah. Good job. Go to the windshield. We use an old face shield. Alright, this is an old chamois cloth, a real old one, used. We'll antique it. Alright, I've got a little bit of light stain mixed with black thinner. Spraying it lightly, just to age it. Let me see. Alright, that's good. Put it in. Most excellent. And Mara will put this down. Someone put a all-thread axle instead of the, but we still have part of the original. make this work. See, it goes in like that. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna put it back up there. It's bad design here. We're gonna add on a little bit more axle to it. Put the wheels back on. Keep it run.
Both sides were broke off.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, we'll weld the extension on. Small, delicate work.
Tight fit.
Alright, we're putting a little graphite in it to the oil. It's gonna work. Keys over here. It worked.
Just turn clockwise, huh?
Yeah. You feel anything? There's a lever on the other side. I noticed.
Got a handbrake.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Do it again? Well, that's 100 miles an hour.
Look, there's the brake.
Great. That's the brake?
Yeah.
Let's set it on the floor and see if it'll go. Alright, we're gonna try it out. Put it in it? Yeah. Spring.
I know. Well, look at the front wheels kind of.
Well, straighten up. Hey, kind of bump it going. Push it. Check, turn it over and see if you've wound it enough. I'm not sure you wound it enough. I don't think I heard anything.
A little tighter.
You're scared, man. Just crank that thing up and push it. Alright, go for it. There it goes. First time in probably 80 years. Still ain't wound enough, I think. Let me see it. Golly, wonder why it ain't going faster than that.
I'm going to let it spin and put some graphite in there.
Yeah, probably just needs running, huh? pretty good. Straighten up the wheel. Turn the wheel this way a little bit.
It wants to go, it's just the spring's a little weak.
Wait, stop. Turn this wheel, let's go off. Not too much, there you go. Now you're cheating. That ain't worth a flip.
Yeah.
Wants to.
Yeah. You gotta get a burnout going.
Alright, here we go again. Alright, it actually went that time. Do it again. Push it. Well, I ain't gonna win no races, but it looks good. Let's see.
Yeah. Wants to go.
There, yeah. Stop, look. The top came out real good. It looks probably dirty in this film, but it's not. It's just the right amount of patina.